Ever wonder what makes those turbo flutter sounds so captivating? It's not just noise, it's a symphony of engineering and design. First, let's talk about the mechanics behind it. The turbocharger spins at incredible speeds, creating that signature whoosh. Next, the flutter comes from the wastegate releasing pressure. It's like a musical note that tells you power is on the way. And when you hear it, you know something exciting is happening. So next time you hear that sound, appreciate the magic behind it. It's not just a car, it's a thrilling experience waiting to unfold.